All right, thanks, Christiane. Well, you know, women have long turned to medical spas to enhance their looks, but now men are catching on to the trend.
I caught up with a local businessman who says it helps them feel better and be more competitive in the workplace. Scott Kramer got unexpected motivation that has him making serious life changes.
I was on vacation in Cabo San Lucas on my 59th birthday, and one of my friends basically said to me, Scott, I doubt you're going to make it to 65. That was a aha moment right there, and I didn't know what to do.
Scott turned to experts at Renew Body Contouring in Houston in his quest for answers. They helped tone his body by freezing his fat, but suggested he begin a weight loss journey next door at a workout studio called Hypoxi.
This is a very unique neoprene suit. It creates a compression around our client's body. And what's special about this compression suit is it's lined with about 200 alternating suction cups. And it's responsible for increasing the blood flow towards the fatty tissue that we want to target. Well, the more blood flow that we have in the fatty tissue, the more targeted we're able to get it to burn.
Those suction cups inflate and deflate every 15 seconds to target stomach fat and love handles.
So a 30-minute session will increase the blood flow by 70%. And that will create a 6-hour fat burning session. Yes. So it's very important that the client doesn't have any sugars and carbohydrates, and we work with the client one-on-one to make sure that they're going to follow the nutrition protocol.
Caroline says most patients lose a clothing size a month. Scott says it's working for him. Check out his before and after pics.
I've been doing this now for about a year and a half, and I've gone from 315 pounds started with a XL suit that I could barely get into, now down to 245 pounds into this suit that's now actually big on me. And as simple as it sounds, this system works.
As the weight started falling off, Scott headed back to Renew Body Contouring to tighten it all up.
He started off with CoolSculpting, and then it went into, skin tightening, and then, weight loss, and now he's doing facials and threads, and, it's like it's like Pandora's box has been opened up, literally. And a lot of, again, because the guys want to kind of hide it from their buddies, it's, I think non-surgical has just become more and more prominent.
Since I lost that weight, I had a lot of droopy skin. I had, areas that were not full any longer, not that fullness you see. So I had some things with some Sculptra. So you inject that in to get more of the fullness in there. I've had some things to fix around the lines with Restylane that just kind of do that. And the big thing I just started recently was threads. What they do is they go in, and I just had it done just 10 minutes ago, where they go in and they pull your skin tight. So I had right here, as you can see, a very droopy, saggy skin pocket, and they pull it tight.
More men than ever are working toward a more youthful look.
We've probably had an increase of about 35 to 40% in our male population of guys wanting to come in and do things to look younger. I want to say, if I was to attribute it to something, I get different reasons. Some divorced, wanting to get back out on the market again. Some of them are more, business professionals, oil and gas, things like that, where they're finding there's a lot of competition with the younger guys that are coming up the ladder, and they don't want to look tired, and they don't want to look like they are working too hard. They want to keep up with everybody.
Katina works with Dr. Brandon Roberts, who says most men want to play it safe when it comes to treatments.
There's definitely a stigma in terms of men, in terms of what would sort of be acceptable, and I think that the non-surgical techniques offer a lot less downtime, and that's crucial, so that they can do things like, say, if they want to go have something done, come back, they won't have that lasting issue in terms of how they'll be perceived if they see something that might be out of the ordinary.
Most of the guys are in and out within an hour. There's most things that we do, there's minimal bruising. I will say this, most of the men are a little more sensitive when it comes to pain. They don't like pain. So we have great numbing cream.
So I want to know what your buddy says, who ripped you on your 59th birthday. What does he have to say now, 3 years later?
He's blown away. He's like, what the heck did you do? And I said, I'm just making myself for the better.
Hey, and that's what it's all about.
Good for
He
him.
feels good. That's what matters.
And a lot of people are saying, wait a second, is that even affordable for me?
Yeah,
the good
I know
thing
a lot of people want to take advantage, I'm sure.
This time of year seems to be the most affordable because a lot of med spas are having, they'll have different types of holiday specials and stuff. And so I ask what they're doing right now. So for those workout sessions we were seeing there at Hypoxi, it's $29 a session, or they said $265 if you wanted to do it unlimited, where you just go work out whenever you can and when you want.
Nice.
So you're on there 30 minutes, but it equals 6 hours of exercise. That's a whole lot. And then if you want to tighten all that skin right now, they have CoolSculpting for about $495.
Okay.
So that's where you freeze off the fat and say bye-bye.
Well, now's the time to take advantage of those deals.
I guess so it is.
All right.